So this week on Street Food, we are not eating it on the street per se. Sometimes we branch out, okay? This is a branch out episode. See what y'all think. Street food. So as most of y'all know, my channel is no longer monetized, alright? I can no longer make ad revenue. I'm not gonna get into the details of it with you, but basically I'm no longer big enough to sell out. But imagine if I could though. What kind of products would really fit my channel? You know, maybe travel stuff, like a neck pillow? For real, I hate neck pillows. Maybe some over-the-counter parasite medicine. Or some laxatives. Real talk, if I could rep a product, it would most likely be Raddish. Y'all heard about this? You know how there's like a subscription service for everything, right? You can get your comic books, and your nerd stuff, or your whatever else delivered to your door, and every month is like a surprise what you get. That's a thing now. You get cool stuff in a box, like you get clothes. I don't know, I'm mostly outside the loop of that. I don't know what all that is, but I hear about it. Anyway, Ashley signed us up for Raddish, and Raddish is awesome. Okay, Raddish, you're not trying to sponsor me, I realize that. Our content is probably not that compatible. But look, I'm about to talk about you for this whole episode for free, cause I just love you. They send you a box with 3 recipes that you can make with your kids. And also there's like facts about the food, there's a cooking tool, and there's badges. It takes cooking with the family up several notches in my opinion. What are we doing today?
We are making a feast for lunch. Yeah, maybe. Like, each box comes with 3 recipes, 2 badges, and some equipment. It comes with a shopping list and 1 tool that you use during one of the recipes. Today we're going to be doing, like, all 3 of the recipes so that, you know, we can have a very satisfactory lunch.
What 3 things are we making?
We are making spanakopita bites, chicken souvlaki skewers, and lemon rice soup.
Step 1, we gotta go grocery shopping. But Raddish makes every step of the process fun. They got a little checklist, they can check things off as they go. My kids don't normally get to grocery shop with me. This is not something we do as a family very often, so it's cool to do this together. I mean, they might not want to do it all the time, but special occasions, they're into it.
We gotta get a free cookie. We're at Publix.
Free cookies, go to the cookie section. Come help unload the car.
But it's chocolate.
I see the chocolates. That's why they put it there. For people just like you. The theme for this set of recipes was Greek food. So, after we purchased all of our groceries, we headed home, got ready to cook. We are cooking in the kitchen. Nice. What's going on?
We're cooking lemon rice soup first, and we've laid out like all the stuff we're gonna use.
The recipe cards are really easy to follow. They got a lot of pictures that show each step of the process really clearly. What are you doing?
Getting all that egg out.
Is you getting a shell?
I don't know.
Alright, what we got going on over here?
Good smell. Good smell. Oh man. Chicken. Reduce heat.
It's like a...
Medium.
Yeah, what's medium?
Lemon is very sour. We've learned.
So sour. That's why we mix it with the soup.
To make it less sour. We are whisking lemon juice and eggs together so we can add it to our lemon rice soup.
This is called shredding chicken.
That looks good.
That looks pretty good, guys. Taste test.
Like taste first.
What do you think?
Awesome.
Really?
It tastes awesome. The lemon barely shows up. I can taste the lemon.
Okay.
And the pepper.
But do you like it? Up next, they're measuring out some spices to marinate some chicken for our chicken skewers. Alright, put it in the chicken bag.
You're eating crunched up leaves?
Yeah, we will. Is that everything?
Yeah, gotta get this all over that.
What are we doing now, Joe?
putting the chicken on a skewer.
You have a special technique.
To not touch it.
Yeah, in order to not touch the meat, she's using 2 skewers, and she's done all these, so it's worked pretty good. Nice. Okay, we have kid ones and grown-up ones. When you're working with heat, the oven or the stovetop, as a parent, you still gotta help out. But most of this they can do on their own. What are we making now?
Spanakopia bites.
Pretty close. Tell me about these spanakopita bites.
Well, there's some special ingredients in here, like feta cheese, which is a Greek cheese traditionally made from sheep's milk.
What's the culinary skill?
Is working with phyllo dough.
Yeah.
Phyllo dough.
Tricky to find in the grocery store, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Phyllo dough is fried, frozen to preserve freshness. Make sure to thaw phyllo dough before use.
I thought it last night, just like it said. I also have learned the featured culinary skill. River's still kind of working on her egg cracking technique, but that's part of the point of this too. You know, have a space to practice.
It'll work.
Good job.
Where do I put this? Okay.
What do you think?
Wash him.
Garlic.
That's what I was smelling. Oh my.
Garlic smells very strong.
Good thing we got lots of butter.
Love that they gave you 2 tools. Sister package.
Here.
Looks just like the picture, you guys. You're crushing this.
Here.
Yeah, good.
A triangle.
Are you gonna make a triangle? River, these look awesome.
Yeah, we made them. We have officially earned our badges. When the cooking was done, I turned on the Greek national anthem and presented both girls with their Greek food badges. For real, badges make everything funner. Look, Raddish is not gonna sponsor a show about eating street wraps, okay? I know that. But this show is also about my life as an expat. We don't get American subscription boxes here in China, but I still love this product. It's a way for me to pass on my love of food to my kids, who, let's be honest, are not the most adventurous eaters on the planet. If you got kids, check out Raddish. Don't bother telling them I sent you. They don't know me. Street food.
Season 10.